Good, move it around, guys, good. Go off balance, go to guillotines, go to locks. Sweep the person, stack the person, figure things out. Side mount, side control, cast Tommies, north-south. Try to work different things. If you want to take a break and have your partner, work something. And then have them defend it. Then you work something, have them defend it. And then grapple. You work with your people. Remember, we're training right now. We're not competition, we're training right now. Keep those hooks in, Anthony. Yep, do not put a choke on unless you have the hooks in first. Commit the hooks and then go for the choke. Position before submission. Yep, get the hook in. Jordan, turn around facing Jordan. Don't take it back too much, Jordan. Turn around facing if you can. Just stay right up, turn around facing, lock back up again, back down on one knee. Keep again, go. So guys, you want him standing up, go back down on one knee so you can go again. Keep going. Okay, David, roll your head out, David. Roll your head out, roll your head out. Now put him in the guard. Go on your back and wrap your legs around him. Put him in the guard position. Keep going, keep going. Guys, remember, don't be afraid, guys. Go into the guard. Even though the person top you, it's okay. You don't always have to have top. Just go in the guard, work different things from the guard. You won't get good at guard unless you try it. There you go, good, Anthony, good. You have your left leg up so he can't pass you. If you have a good little nitpick, a good little advice, make sure you tell your partner. Like having the lefty up, Anthony, make sure you tell Jordan that's why he had it up so he couldn't mount you. Help your partner out to get better so they turn around and get you better. John, turn towards him, John. Turn towards him.